Previously on Cook Like Chris.
Oh, hey, Chris.
Oh, what are you doing here?
You told me we were cooking today. What are you doing?
Nothing?
1 second. God damn you. Sorry about that, guys. Welcome to Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. I'm your host, Michael.
Today on Cook Like Chris.
Man, things were a lot easier with that air fryer. Sure, it wanted my hand, but now I'm just not sure what to cook. Hey, I actually have a request on Facebook. Peanut butter and jam sandwich. I can do that. Should we do that? Hey? Should we make a peanut butter and jam sandwich? Hi, welcome back to Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. I'm your host, Chris. Today's episode, we're doing a peanut butter and jam sandwich. This is actually pretty exciting for us here at CLC because this is our first video that was a request from our viewers. The request came to us through our Facebook group. Technically it was for peanut butter and jelly, but I'm more of a jam guy. And the recipe is basically the same thing. PB&J is essentially a childhood staple. Everyone's had it before. So without wasting any more time, let's check out what we need. All we're going to need is bread, peanut butter, and jam. And in this case, I'm using raspberry jam because that's my favorite, but you can use any type of jam you want. Or jelly if you're one of those people. You know who you are. First thing though, you're going to cut off this little end piece, this bum piece here. The bum piece I usually just push aside. I might just add some jam to it and eat it as is, or just some butter. So you're just going to cut a couple slices off, not too thick because it becomes harder to eat. Okay, now that you have your slices of bread, I'm going to start with the peanut butter. You usually want to start with the peanut butter first. I'm just going to lather up one side here with peanut butter. And then after the peanut butter, I'm going to use our raspberry jam and get a nice healthy dose of that on there. And that's really it. It's prepped and ready. So next we just slap these two pieces of bread together and that's it. Wow, this is looking really good. There's only one last thing to do, and that's to taste it. It's looking great. I can't wait to try it. Here we go. Well, it probably tastes as you expect, which is awesome, especially with this crispy, flaky French bread that I made it on. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna be making more of these for myself. Thanks again for joining us on Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. I hope your PB&J sandwich turned out just as well as mine did. I know I'm gonna have more when this is done. Like I said, this is actually a request video that came to us through our Facebook group. If there is a recipe you'd like to see us tackle here on Cook Like Chris, you can leave that in a comment down below. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So until next time, see you later.